This time I'm building terminology, datum. So the datum is a defined point, line or level from which surveys may be commenced or relative to which height, depth or bearing or other points, lines or levels may be measured, calculated or verified. So the big difference between a datum and a benchmark is that a datum doesn't have a known height above sea level. The datum will generally be given a height, just a random figure, normally a fairly positive figure like 10 meters or 20 meters, so we don't end up in negatives, but it's not an actual height above sea level, it's just a nominated height. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.